Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate you how we used whole milk powder to make milk chocolate. We are now in the chocolate workshop at PROCHOC Ingredia. Before showing you the different manufacturing process, we are going to take a quick look at different tools in our lecturing.
An oven set at 45 degrees to store cocoa butter, cocoa mass, and lecithin if needed. A horizontal mixer which we use to mix the ingredients. A boiler grinder to grind the ingredients. A horizontal mixer acting as a conch. A marble with fridge, a temperating machine, and a vibrating table.
Let's now focus on the different steps during the process. So the first step is to weigh the ingredients according to the predefined recipe.
The butter and the cocoa mass are solid at room temperature. These two raw materials are stored the day before in an oven at 40 degrees so that it becomes liquid and can be easily used. In a milk chocolate recipes, we rate sugar, whole milk powder containing 26% fat, cocoa butter, and cocoa mass. We recommend using PROCHOC S26 Plus, a whole milk powder which contains a high free fat level. This improves the flow properties in chocolate, reduces the recipe cost, and reduces the fat looming. The ingredients are placed in a horizontal mixer equipped with a heating blanket at 45 degrees so that the butter and cocoa mass remain liquid and aligns easily with the other ingredients in the recipe. You then mix the ingredients for 15 minutes at 45 degrees. The second step involves grinding ingredients using a 3-cylinder boiler-laboratory grinder to reduce the particle size of powder to 20 microns. We use a particle size analyzer for the measurement. Depending on the recipe, it is possible to make 1 or 2 grinding passes to reach the target value. To do this, the powder is reconstituted with paraffin oil to form a paste which will be measured by the granulometer.
The third step is to conch the ingredients. The conching step aims to evaporate the organic acids, contribute to flavor development, and adjust the viscosity of the chocolate. There are 2 phases in this step. The dry phase, where our rye paste is mixed for several hours at a temperature between 60 and 70 degrees. 1 hour before the end of the conching step, the rest of cocoa butter is added to achieve the desired fat content in the recipe. We thus obtain a specific liquid chocolate pasta where vanilla flavor can be added to reduce bitterness in the chocolate. The conching step lasts a minimum of 6 hours and can go up to 18 hours for some chocolate manufacturers to reach the desired aromatic profile. The fourth step is to temper the milk chocolate. It is important to note that cocoa butter displays polymorphisms, having 6 different crystalline forms with different melting points. The production of chocolate aims to crystallize the chocolate so that the cocoa butter is predominantly in form 5, which is the most stable form of melted cocoa butter. This allows us to cool the chocolate and stabilize the state of its crystal. Then we can put the tempered chocolate on the untempered chocolate so that the mixture is homogeneous. The role of tempering is to have a brittle, shiny chocolate and a longer shelf life. The fifth step consists of molding the chocolate. The sixth step is to deaerate chocolate. This removes all the bubbles present which may appear to be a visual defect not desired for the consumer. The seventh step consists of removing the chocolate tablet from the molds, wrapping them in an aluminum foil paper, and moving them to a room with a temperature between 18 and 22 degrees. This avoids destabilization of the fat crystals from the cocoa. We use the real method to characterize the chocolate using an official method of International Office of Cacao and Chocolate. To conduct this test, we proceed as follows. Before sample collection, mix the chocolate well, then measure the appropriate quantity in an aluminum pot. The sample is heated to 40 degrees and is continuously stirred during measurement. The viscosity and yield values are measured to characterize the chocolate tablets or coatings. Ingredion's whole milk powder, PROCHOC S26 Plus, allows you to reduce viscosity and improve flow behaviors in chocolates compared to the ones with standard whole milk powder.